Haven has been, throughout the pandemic, a place where it's been a hotspot.
Spreading cheer and not COVID-19 this Christmas, hoping to keep its coronavirus cases from rising over the holidays. The city of New Haven spent the day handing out thousands of face masks. Channel 3 New Haven Bureau Chief Matt McFarland is live with the mobile newsroom in the Elm City.
Well, Shantae, the city says it's simple. The number of cases continue to climb here in the Fairhaven neighborhood. Now, the city says they are stressing for folks not to have large gatherings, big celebrations, especially with people from outside your household for the upcoming holidays. And these masks, the city says, well, they're one way, they're hopeful, to keep people safe.
Happy holidays.
But for the city of New Haven, its wish is not just for a happy holiday, but also a healthy one, too. So this morning, in addition to grabbing meals to go at their local schools, families in New Haven's Fairhaven neighborhood, like Jose Cologne's, also received 10 face masks.
I come here throughout the week, all week long, for my kids to get the meals and then for them to help out the community also with some new masks. I think it's a blessing.
Since the start of the pandemic, the Elm City quickly identified Fairhaven as a COVID hotspot.
This is the best way to reach the families that are here in Fairhaven.
It adds in the last few weeks, it's watched the number of cases in this neighborhood rise. And the city says it's worried the holidays are only going to make it worse.
Our concern is that a lot of people are going to be gathering together.
Mayor Justin Elliker says they've been doing outreach in Fairhaven. And while he's still encouraging people not to gather and celebrate indoors with those outside your household, he says these masks, 8,000 distributed by the city at 4 schools today, are just another tool to help people get through the pandemic.
We want many, many holidays to come with each other, and so if we're getting together in groups, we're exposing more people. If people do that, we want to make sure people have the resources to reduce the likelihood of spreading the virus.
And as 2020 draws to a close, these families tell us they're thankful for all the support.
Every place that you can name that does something for the communities, they have all stepped up, and they're just a tremendous help, a relief with everything that's going on, man.
Now, in addition to those masks distributed by the city of New Haven public school staffers, they also provided extra meals for those families today because they're going to be closed for the holidays and they won't reopen until next Monday. We're live at the mobile newsroom in New Haven. Matt McFarland, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
Doing so much good. Thank you, Matt.